I never get to have me time. It feels so relaxing. Huh?
It's over here.
Sam, are you on TV?
So you know I'm a global superstar. You've seen how many subscribers I have, right? Let me go.
Okay, but what are you wearing?
It's this amazing show called Skibidi Toilet. I love it.
Actually, Sammy, you don't need to wear a TV on your head to be part of it.
I don't?
I've got something special for you.
Yay! What are we doing, Sue? I can't wait any longer.
Take it easy, Sammy. Good things come to those who wait.
Do I look like the patient type? Open the case. Is that what I think it is?
It sure is. I was keeping it for a special occasion, and now seems like a good time.
It's glorious. It's like all my dreams came true.
Well, shall we take a closer look?
Of course, let's do it. Come on, open it up.
Okay, here we go. Ooh, I just got an idea. Let's make it more interesting. Look, Sammy, it's a dance battle. I hope you're ready to strut your stuff.
I was born ready, Sue. Let's do this. Oh, I look even cooler this way.
And here's the first routine. Let's go. Oh yeah, look at it go. Woo!
Peely Susan. I studied modern dance for 4 years. This is how it's done.
Okay then, how about this one?
Whoa, I like this head's moves.
Yep, now check this out. Hey, don't be sad, buddy. And the winner is... you! Oh, come on, you can always have a rematch. Congratulations! Whoa, it's one of the missing figures from the first spread. So cool! It has to go over here. Shall we find the number 2 figure?
Why even ask, Sue? This guy needs company. Let's go!
Your wish is my command.
Whoa, is it just me? Or each page gets better and better? Look at this, Sue! Check this out. Boing, boing!
Hey, Sammy, and how about this? What do you think it does? Ah, transformation complete. Now check out this trick. But that's not all. I've got something else for you. There we go.
I know this game. I've seen this before.
I think we're going to need a hammer. Bam, bam, bam! This is fun! Whoa! It's a level up! Now let's see if we made it.
Wow, I feel so alive. This is a great stress reliever.
And would you just look at this? Hey there, little buddy. Sammy, I think it's our new friend. You need to take your place over here. Now let's find the third character.
Let's do this.
Nice roll, Sammy. It's 5 points. A lucky 5. it's my turn. Whoa, I got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Not bad, but I could still win. Here goes the last one.
And we have a winner! Yay!
Woohoo! I'm the greatest. Bow down before me.
There is such a thing as a bad winner, Sammy. Anyway, what's this? Let's find that out. I guess it's the prize, Sammy.
I'd like to thank you for this award. And my mom and dad. I love you all.
Here's something else. What are we supposed to do with these?
Put it in these cards, Sue. Right here, see?
Okay, wow. Aha! Gotcha! We got the next figure! Awesome! Welcome, friend number 3.
I'm having the best time. I don't want it to end ever. Yay!
There's a lot of toilets in this game.
Ooh, look! I think there's something in his mouth.
I can't believe I'm gonna do this, but it's all for Sammy. I guess it's time for another trick. Ew, yuck.
With great power comes great responsibility. Whatever. Ready, aim, fire!
You did it!
Yup, bullseye! That's how it's done by a pro! Hold on a second! What's there? Did we find it?
We sure did. Well spotted, Sammy.
The last one's left. Whoa! Wow! I love this game! Mario is one of my besties.
And here he comes. Ooh, is that a toilet plunger? Uh-oh.
We got it, Sue. We found the last figure.
Awesome! Let's put him with the rest of the fellas.
Wow! We finally did it! We completed the game!
And this is the reward.
Open them up!
Okay, here we go. It's a sad cloud.
Not anymore, Sue!
Thank you. Let's put it back. It's got a broken heart.
I know how to fix it!
You're the best doctor in the world. We did it. Another successful operation. But we have another patient. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that. This is getting weird.
I thought it was going to be! I need my gloves!
Don't cry, little one. We will help you now. I know what to do.
I guess we are all set. Are you ready, Sue the nurse?
Of course I am, Dr. Sam. I'll just squeeze it. Oops. No worries, I got that.
Are we done, Sue?
Yes, that was kind of fun. I guess I could become a real nurse someday.
Does that mean we've played with everything there was in there?
We did.
So now what?
I'll show you how I made the most exciting parts.
Finally!
We'll start with the dancing game. Want to help, Sammy?
You know me. I'm a creative bundle of slime just waiting to do my thing.
Wait a second. You always say that I can rely on you.
Of course! But what do I need to do?
I'll show you. Here, you need to draw.
Draw what?
Our characters.
Got
quite what we need, but I can fix it. There you go. Now we need to cut them out.
Leave that to me, Sue. Be right back.
Then I will do some coloring. How do you like it?
Looks great, and I'm almost done too.
But where are the threads?
I have no idea. Never seen them.
Nice try, Sammy.
Just once I would like to feel the wind in my hair.
Now, we'll put them in the book. Wow, and once more. I like how it turned out. And it's time for the next game. Oh, it's almost finished. Great. We just need the heads. Now I'll make the frame for our magic picture.
I finished them, Sue, and they're pretty good if you ask me. Hey, what do you want? Give it back. Oh, well.
Now I'll make the frame for our magic picture.
The picture's done too. I think you'll be impressed.
Wow, Hyla Ways believed in your skills. Now let's see if it works.
I can't believe it. Look at that. It's like a magic trick of some kind. But we need to keep going.
Yep, we have to finish the sliders.
Things are about to get real sticky.
I hope not. Better help me here.
Easy peasy, Sue. Give me just a second. Here, you can have it.
Sammy, but this is totally wrong. Or is it another prank of yours? Gladly, I can fix it in no time.
I might have folded it wrong. But it was such a happy mistake. And the slider game is complete. Good job, Sue. Well done.
I'm getting good at this. Now, let's move on. We just need to place the details on the book and we're done.
I'm the one that's dealing with this guy.
No one doubted that. And don't forget the plunger! Few last touches. Great! That's it, Sammy. We've made the playbook.
You're forgetting one thing, Sue.
Really?
The love hearts.
Oh, how could I forget?
And here's another one.
You made too many hearts.
No, you didn't get it. This one's for you, Sue.
Sammy, that's very cute. That means so much. And they lived happily ever after. The end.
Sue, again? This is so boring. Can you read me a story from this book, maybe?
Of course. Let's do it.
And Sue, I found the catapult.
Yuck! Sam, go away!
Get ready for a battle, Susan!
Stop it, no! Thanks for being with us, friends. Subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.
Oh, I love this playbook so much. See you next time!